This video is particularly to those that have been in a particular position for a long time, especially when the position is no longer favorable. Number three, avoid stagnation. Once you are stagnant, it naturally limits you. It limits your environment, it limits your thinking, it limits what you eat, it limits how you look, it limits your total way of life. Hey, what? 8 years in a job, why? Why? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you why you should never stay too long in a job, never cross 8 years and above in a job. Let me share you a story and things you can do if you currently find yourself in that situation. There's this supermarket I go to, and I've known this particular staff that they have for over 2 years. So she has been there. She's so nice. So at least anytime I go to the supermarket, she always attends to me. But most times she usually complain of the poor pay, and we know what the economy is saying. There is no pay that is enough for anybody. The salary is poor for most people that work, and I don't even know how people manage with their salary. I don't just know. So during this phase, I never knew she has been in those jobs for over 8 years. I don't know, but most time when she complain about it, I just encourage her. You know, now as a money guru now, I just encourage her that you can start up a side business, side also here. You're additionally you're already in the supermarket. You can look for things you can sell in the supermarket, and you have the space here. The owners, they know you. It will be very easy. So she has said she has tried one or two things and she has not been able to pull it through. It's time consuming. She don't have the time and things in that light. So it was just last week I learned that she has been on the job for over 8 years. I was surprised. I said, what? And she has complained they've not raised the pay and things in that light. This video is particularly to those that have been in a particular position for a long time, especially when the position is no longer favorable. Like the stagnation, you are not where you want to be, and especially when the office politics is no longer favorable, because at this point now she's frustrated, she's saying she wants to leave. But the problem is that if she leaves now, she doesn't have savings, she doesn't have any job or any site. Also, she has either started, hey, my camera was about to fly, or fall. She doesn't have any site also that she has maybe done alongside or things in that light. Once you've realized all this, these are things you need to do. Now, what are the action step one? I will not even say until you get to 8 years. From third three, as long as you started a job, you're already comfortable, you've understood how the job works, as you can start a side also. You start a side also as long as it's not affecting the job. So first, since you're already in a job, understand the timing of the job, understand the rudiments of the job. Then you start a side also. Number two, speak to your network. Let people know that you are open to jobs, right? You want new experience and things in that light. Number three, avoid stagnation. Once you are stagnant, it naturally limits you. It limits your environment, it limits your thinking, it limits what you eat, it limits how you look, it limits your total way of life, because your life is already sort of in a triangle form, from here to here to here and back. Next, upskill yourself. One of the things that affects people is that maybe when they are in a system where it needs certificate, maybe you are a BSc, things like that. If you can upskill, if you can go back to school, that's the truth. If you can go back to school, fine, go back. And if you can't go back to school, there are free skills online now. And most times, a lot of bodies internationally they value even skills, certifications a lot. So, upskill. Next is to explore freelancing. Use freelancing body. What do you have? Are you a graphic designer? Are you a fashion designer? Are you a content creator? Anything. Explore freelancing avenues. Invest in passive income. Passive income literally means what can make you money while you are sleeping. Right? Invest in passive income. Next, consider a career change. If this career is not working for you, or You've been in this position, maybe you are assistant event planner, you can move on to event manager. And if that is not working, invest in a total career change. It might be tough, but do it. Next, seek mentorship. Look for people that are currently into that position where you want, or you can just generally look for career advice on your next phase. Just let people know, or meet the mentor that will help you through that phase to a better space, right? You can say, okay, this person is a tech guru. If I switch my career from being an event planner or event manager to becoming a tech customer care rep or a tech or front end, anything, just ensure you find a mentor. Lastly, build an online presence. In fact, I think this, I don't know how long we can preach this. Build an online presence. Use social media to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients or employer. Don't be on social media wasting your data. Don't be on social media just because you have data to spare. Be strategic about being on social media. If you're on LinkedIn, focus on LinkedIn. If you're on YouTube, focus on it. Use the social media to your own advantage. Lastly, stay informed. Keep up to industry trends to remain competitive in the job market. So, if I'm going to be talking to that lady again, because now she's frustrated, I don't even know how she's going to start, but these are the advice I'm going to give her. Look for side hustles you can do and start. The only way forward is moving forward. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to enroll for the 3-month French course, please do also use the link in the description box below. And if you'd like to upskill your online money making game or your online portfolio, there's a link, Go Virtual Academy, that you can use and enroll for courses. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do also like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.